welcome back to the channel. I hope you're here for another lovely Wednesday craft video. And I'm sorry I didn't put anything out on Monday, but I actually didn't have anything really. And the stuff that I thought about, it just seemed like, one, everybody else was doing it, and two, I wasn't really interested in it, so I didn't just want to sit here and pretend to be interested in something just to put out a video. So I'd rather put out stuff that I actually enjoy. But before we get into the craft video, like I said, I hope you're having a lovely Wednesday and looking forward to getting through hump day with a kind of simple and easy craft. Now this is going to be, if you can't tell from the tag picture, we're going to be making little, I wouldn't say floral decorations because this one's crocheted, but I guess you could say it's floral, maybe. But I saw these skulls online, the skull planners, and I had to use them. I had to use them for something, and I will put the links for these down below because they had black ones and they had white ones, and they came in a pack of 3 for like 20 bucks on Amazon. I was like, yes please. Although I do wish they were a little bigger. I did find some bigger ones that I might get, but I think they're $24 a piece, so I don't know. We'll see, but I had to get these because these are so cute. Now there's actually 3, but that one is in my living room, and it's kind of obnoxious, and I don't really have anywhere to set these besides in my lap, so I just grabbed these 2, but you'll see the 3rd one in the video, and you've seen it in the picture. But oh my god. Plus, I think these 2 are kind of my favorite. I don't really like the 3rd one that I made, but this just gives you like 3 options of what you can do with these little guys. Plus, I love the way that one turned out. I really think this one is my favorite. Plus, I put more work into that one. So, and if you want to know how I crochet these, I will leave the links for some different videos down below, because I did follow other people's tutorials about how to crochet these cactuses or these little succulent things, so I use other people's videos for that. But before we get into the craft portion of our video, if you are new to the channel, this is your first ever video, please consider hitting that subscribe button for me. It really supports this channel and lets me know that people enjoy what they're watching. Also, remember to give this video a thumbs up, please, and thank you, because I haven't really been getting those, so I don't know if what I'm doing is good or not. I need some feedback here. But anyways, we will go ahead and cut to the video about how I made these, and I will meet y'all back at the end. Well, hello everybody, and welcome to our Wednesday craft video. And as you can tell, I have a lot of stuff in front of me, so we're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. We are going to be making kind of 3 different types of little succulent floral arrangements, and I got the idea because I saw these little guys on Amazon, so I had to do something with them, because I mean, come on, they're adorable. They came in white and they also came in black, and you get them as a set of 3, I think, for like 20 bucks, so I couldn't pass that up. But and I will leave the link down below so you can find those if you're interested. But we're going to be doing a crocheted version of succulent plants. We're going to be doing just a regular kind of fake succulent plant, and then I'm going to be doing a floral thing. So that is what you will need, and I will leave links down below on how I made these, because I did make them using other people's tutorials, so these are not my original designs. I will leave the links down below so you can check those out if you're interested. So aside from all of that, and these did take the longest out of everything, you're also going to need, we might not need some of this stuff, but I'm just going to go ahead and throw it out there for what you could possibly need. You're going to need some of these little kind of like moss balls for decoration, or just regular kind of loose moss. We may need some stones, but I'm not sure because how small these are. You're going to need floral foam. It did originally look like this. I went ahead and cut mine to size. You're also going to need some wire cutters, obviously, some scissors, which I've already used those, so I don't think I'm going to need them anymore. And we're also going to need a hot glue gun. I think that's just about it. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this. Now go ahead and cut out your foam pieces to size. I just took the top part and kind of pressed it into my foam block and then cut that out. And the foam that I used was from the Dollar Tree, and it was easy to cut with a little plastic knife. But all you're going to do is just take the top of this and then just kind of press it in there, and then it leaves a ring, and all you got to do is cut that out. So there's that. I'm just going to go ahead and stuff these and try and move some of this out of the way. Okay.
So let's go ahead and stuff these. And you may need to make some final adjustments once you actually get them into your skulls and make sure they fit good. And it is going to be a bit messy, just forewarn you. It's going to be messy. So, okay, go ahead and get that in there. That's another reason I like using this foam, because it's so easy to manipulate. So there are those. Okay. And just trim off any excess that we might not need. So now our skulls are stuffed. So the first one I want to attempt to do, let's see, I got 3. The first one I think I want to do is going to be the crochet one. So now I'm not sure what succulent plant this is supposed to be. I just thought it was really cute, and I thought it was going to be really cute like hanging off to the side, so that's why I made that. And then to go with my regular succulent. So what we're going to do for this one is where our hot glue gun comes into play. We're just going to take some glue on the side here. Okay. Now be careful with your hot glue. If I don't have to remind you that it's hot glue, so it's hot. Okay. And we're just going to hold that for a few minutes. And if you're wondering what tool I'm using, it's actually the stem from the succulent. I just pulled it off because I'm going to have to cut that. So I'm just figured I'd reuse it for my hot glue. Okay, so that's on there. So now I'm going to take the pretty part of this succulent and we're just going to glue that on, and that one will be done. So this one we're going to need a lot of glue. So just go ahead and just coat the entire top of the foam. And my other one is falling. No, I didn't let it sit long enough. Oh well. It's about to be glued to the other one. Okay, let's go ahead and just shove that on there. Okay, and I will insert a clip of where I actually did make these, so you don't think I'm lying to you. I did make these. I just made them earlier today because they were going to take so long, and since I was following somebody else's tutorial, I didn't want to sit here and be doing that and telling you what to do, and it's actually somebody else's stuff. So I opted to just do it off camera earlier today. Okay, so I'm just going to set this one off to the side to let it finish drying, but that one is complete. I think it looks really cute. It's got a big afro. Okay, so let's set him off to the side somewhere. Okay, now let's do this little guy. Now, I don't think I'm going to need anything else, but I'm not sure. I want to make sure you can't see any of the foam. What I might do is just take some of this guy. Let me not make a mess. So I'm just going to take some of this floral moss and I'm just going to glue it up in the front right here. So I'm just putting my glue right there. I'm just going to kind of tap that down. And where's my little, there we go. Because mainly from the front, I just want to make sure you can't see any of the floral foam. That is my main thing. Since it's going to be mainly facing toward the front, the majority of the time that I display these. Let's go ahead and tuck that in, adjust some things. Okay, that's going to take a minute to dry, so while that is drying, and be sure, because these are actually angled when you set them. Ooh, these are angled when you set them, so if you don't want your glue to run, kind of angle them up somehow. That's what I'm trying to do anyways. I use, angle it up a little bit more level. Let's use a cat head. The leftover Christmas charm. There we go. So we'll angle him up. Now we're going to go ahead and cut this part off. So this is really strong, so that's where you're going to use your wire cutters. And just trim. Yeah, I think that'll be good. There we go. Just trim that. And that is now trash. We'll just stick it in the plate. Okay, now this is actually angled. Let me try and straighten that out. Okay. So this is our second. I actually got this from the Dollar Tree, and I like how it's purple with a little bit of green. I did get 3 different kinds, but when I got home and I saw it with the black, I'm like, yes, I have to do black and purple. So all we're going to do is just stick this right in the middle. So we're just going to take this and we're just going to stick it right down in the middle and make sure it's good and tight in there. Okay, that's also going to help hold some of that glue in place for our moss. Okay, so here is our second one. Oh, he looks so cute. Looks like something you'd buy at the store. I like it. He looks so pretty. Okay, I'm going to set him with his brother over here. And we're going to make one final one. Okay, so for this one, we're going to need our floral. So let's go ahead and start trimming this. I'm not sure how this is going to work, really, because these are really long. I don't know. We're about to find out. So let's go ahead and trim these. Okay, and I'm going to take the leaves off of that. And then what I want to do now, and I got 2 on. Okay, what I want to do now is bend it. And then I'm going to stick it in. So there is one. Like I said, I'm not sure how I'm going to light this now that actually looking at it and getting to do it. I don't know how well it's going to turn out. Because in my head it looked cute. But I'm not sure if the execution is going to be as cute as I thought. Like that. Okay, so now let's take our leaves. Okay. And my goal for this is just to make a very tight bouquet on top of him, and hopefully it turns out good. If not, I can always redo it. This one's not glued in, so. Okay, so once we get our florals cut, and see I cut them really short because I'm just going to be sticking them directly in here. So yeah, I'm not sure how I like this one. Like I said, it looked cute in my head, but now when I'm actually doing it, it didn't look so cute. So I don't know. There's the last one. What do y'all think? Yay? Nay? I'm not a big fan, but it'll work for now until I can figure out how to fix it. Plus you can't really see the skull now. I think the top's too big. I might have to use another succulent or something. But this just gives you another idea of what you could possibly do, and maybe use like roses or something. Maybe not all this floral, or if you do, use something shorter. But there is that one. We got our regular, succulent, and then we have our very special crocheted succulent. So sound off down in the comments and let me know which one y'all like better, and if you have ever tried to do any of these. But like I said, I will leave links for everything down below in case you're interested in these skulls, and if you're interested in knowing how to crochet your own little succulent plants. And that is it for this craft video, so I hope y'all enjoy.
Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed that. Like I said, it gives you kind of 3 different options. There is a 4th one, but I only had 3 skulls, you know. So there is a 4th option of where you can put actual plants in here. The only thing I didn't like about that is on the bottom there aren't any drainage holes, so if you do overwater it, it's just going to be sitting in there. And my problem with my succulents is I did tend to overwater them. That's kind of another reason I'm using fake ones. So, and plus they're, my house, the way it's set up in the windows, my plants don't get sunlight. So, and there's no way for me to change that. So I'm going to have to wait and actually do real plants outside when it gets closer to summertime. But oh, I love the way that one turned out. It's so cute. Plus, I mean, I love these. I love the way these turned out. They're so cute. But like I said, there are a couple different options. Like I said, the 3rd one, I think in my head it looked cute. When I actually did it in execution, it didn't look that cute. I think my greenery was just too big for my skull head, so I might have to. I'm just gonna change it. I'm just gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna change it. And on my Instagram, I'll let you know how I changed it. But as far as right now, these are staying, because I mean, these are so cute. I did make more of these. Well, not this particular like type of succulent, but I did make some more crocheted ones. So I might use that. But then I also have some more of these. I don't know, because whenever I was doing them, for some reason I was thinking they were bigger, even though I looked at the measurements and I knew they were small. I couldn't remember how big they were, so I kind of guessed on how much material I needed. So I have a lot left over that I can play with. If nothing else, I can just, we're going out this weekend, so I might just look for some smaller greenery and put in there, because you know, fairy gardens are everywhere now, so I can find some greenery for that. But I love the way that turned out. I like the falls right here. It looks so cute. I keep this one in my living room. But so I hope y'all enjoyed that craft. I hope this gave you some ideas if you've been looking at getting little skulls like this, but you didn't know what to do with them. So like I said, I hope this kind of helped you a little bit. I know you could put real plants in them, but there's so many other alternatives that are cute. Why not do those? So yes, that is my craft video. It's kind of quick and simple if you don't take into account that I had to crochet these and they did take a while. Mainly this one. This one took a while, and I was supposed to actually do like 6 of them, but I only ended up doing 3 because they took forever. So I got impatient and just want, and plus I think 6 honestly would have been too much for this little skull, because could you imagine 6 of these? I don't think that would have looked cute. Plus with this one on top, I don't think that would have looked good. But anywho, I will let y'all go and stop rambling. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and let me know down in the comments what you thought, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.